Welcome to Amazing Factzz, where unbelievable facts become reality. What if I told you there's an entire city that may have vanished beneath the ocean in just one single day? Sounds like a movie, but this mystery has fascinated people for over 2,000 years. Welcome to the legend of Atlantis. The story was first written by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, who described Atlantis as a powerful and incredibly advanced island civilization. According to him, its people built magnificent palaces, had advanced engineering, and became one of the richest societies on Earth. But as their greed and arrogance grew, disaster struck. In a single day and night, violent earthquakes and massive floods swallowed the entire island, sending it beneath the sea forever. But here's where the mystery begins. Was Atlantis a real place, or just a fictional story meant to teach a moral lesson? Over the years, explorers have searched everywhere, from the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea and even near Antarctica. Yet no one has found conclusive evidence that Atlantis ever existed. Some scientists believe Plato invented the tale, while others think it may have been inspired by real ancient disasters, such as the destruction of the Minoan civilization after a massive volcanic eruption. Even today, the mystery remains unsolved, making Atlantis one of history's greatest legends. So, what do you think? Is Atlantis still hidden somewhere beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered? Or is it simply the greatest myth ever told? Comment your theory below, and if you love mysteries like this, subscribe to Amazing Factzz for more mind-blowing facts that will change the way you see the world.